Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, your one and only Tuskegee 87, aka Joe Daddy, back on the spot with y'all again. And today we are here out on the range doing some motorcycle safety foundation training. And today I'm going to be doing a riding demo for multiple curves, riding a CBR 250. And yeah, we're actually on the range doing some motorcycle skills training, and yeah, just wanted to have a first-person view on how some of the range exercises are. So yeah, just watch and enjoy. If you have any questions or comments, leave a like. Head to the stage.
Yeah, actually stop right up here.
All right.
All right, everybody gather around again.
All right. So these are lovely students and their bikes. We're doing a advanced rider course. Huh?
Massive Sony.
Oh yeah. It's very aerodynamic.
Alright, so I'm going to reread it again. Alright, welcome to exercise 9. Exercise improve skills for negotiating multiple curves. Throttle operation for smooth weight transfer. To reinforce the use of upper body position and to reinforce C. You can tell me what C stands for. Evaluate execute. Alright, as you can see behind me, there is a small circuit consisting of multiple curves with varied radii. Do not pay attention to what they are setting up right now. You will just stay on the peanut as my demonstrator will show you. So you're going to do 1.5 multiple rotations. We're going to stop you at some point to reverse it. Okay. On signal in small groups, ride the circuit, increase speed in the straightaway before the first curve. Adjust speed for curves. Keep a large following distance. The exercise will be reversed. On signal, return to park. Remain in small groups, ride the circuit. Try demonstration with riders on the circuit as we're about to do.
Sweet. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. A little bit of rider coach coordination. Alright, so we're going to ride to the start point of this exercise. Wait for them to get in position. This ought to be some good times. The layout of the range here. And yeah, it should be a pretty good time. Whew. I've been trying to talk and pray to the Lord. Hope I do good on this demo so that they can see. I like having fun on this demo, but sometimes I can have too much fun. So let's see if we can make this a smooth demo. I'm gonna do 2 laps. All right. That was a little rough. Reversal. Yep. And then we call it good. All right. Hopefully I did that well. We will review. Alright, boys and girls, so that's the riding demo of exercise 9. Negotiating curves with multiple curves and everything. I did this exercise in second gear. What I did was use search setup smooth, which is pretty much you searching through the lane. I almost dropped the bike because I stepped on some gravel. You search through the lane, near, far, all that good jazz, and then yeah, you look through, execute smooth turns and everything, and all is well. So anyway, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, sorry, this is Rush, but gotta get out there and coach, so y'all take it easy.